In this video, how to fix this error when deploying a line of business app using Microsoft Intune. This error occurs because Windows LOB apps, specifically APPX and MSDX, require specific group assignments. If you've selected to install the app in the device context, it must be assigned to a device group. As you can see, I got the error because it is assigned to user instead of device group. To fix this issue, you can assign the app to a user group with the user context installation. However, if you want to deploy the app in the system context, ensure you assign the deployment to a device group. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.